Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by measuring baseline performance so you know what to fix. Run a speed test and note download, upload, and ping. Once done, power cycle modem and router. Unplug, wait 60-90 seconds, then plug back in to clear temporary faults. Make sure to connect one device with Ethernet to separate Wi-Fi from ISP problems. This immediate split, wired versus wireless, tells you if the issue is local hardware or the internet feed, so you can choose the correct next steps. Now you dig into settings to squeeze performance. Update router firmware and each device's network drivers to fix bugs and improve throughput. Then optimize Wi-Fi, switch to the 5 GHz band, or pick a less congested channel to reduce interference. Use a Wi-Fi analyzer if needed. Configure Co-S to prioritize streaming and work devices and limit background uploads or cloud syncs that saturate upstream. Make these changes one at a time. Test speed after each, and record what improves so you can backtrack if needed. Finish by addressing physical and escalation fixes. Move the router to a central, elevated spot and angle antennas for better line of sight. Obstacles and distance kill real speeds. Replace aged Ethernet cables and coax splitters, and consider mesh networking or a wired access point for large homes. If problems persist, gather your baseline speed logs and peak times, then call your ISP. Make sure to describe wired results versus Wi-Fi and ask about line noise or provisioning. A clear symptom log speeds up diagnosis and resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.